My name is Bhargav Sriram, studying in 4th grade of Orchids, the International School, Panatur branch, Bangalore. I absolutely love to solve Rubik's cubes. It is interesting as well as challenging. I learned them only by seeing their videos on YouTube. I can solve 80 different types of Rubik's cubes. I received my first award when I was 8 years old. I won the Indian Book of Records for solving 30 different types of Rubik's cubes in 13 minutes 58 seconds. The news of me winning the Indian Book of Records was aired on local TV news channels. I would like to thank my parents, teachers and Sakina ma'am, the respected principal of our school, who always motivates me.